Hi everybody and welcome to today's episode. So today I am unboxing the Glossy Box. I'm actually really excited about this box because it is the Glossy Box anniversary. So I'm expecting this to be a really solid, beautiful box. I just really love the presentation Glossy Box gives. It comes in a really beautiful box just like this, always wrapped in tissue with a little bow on it. Super, super beautiful. I always dig when somebody does something really pretty like this. It is just beautifully elevated. The packaging looks really nice. It has a little hand-tied bow on it. Really excited about it. So right here we have a little map of what we are going to get into, and let's just dig in and see what we find. Oh, so cute. I love the way they package everything. It's just really nice. So, okay, for those that love the pink detox mask from June, you will love the cleansing gel from Emma Hardy. Rich, luxurious, packed with vitamin E and suitable for all skin types. No wonder this cleansing gel is a bestseller. Tip, less is definitely more. Only a dime-sized amount of this cleansing gel should be enough for cleansing your entire face. This brand has two different cleansers. They have a cleansing balm, which I believe would be for drier skin types, and then they have this cleansing gel. So I really love a cleansing gel, but the only thing about it is that it doesn't remove makeup and SPF. So I always like to use a double cleanse. When I'm cleansing, I cleanse with the balm first because it will take off all that SPF that I've been wearing all day. If I'm shooting, it'll help to take off any of the makeup that I put on for that day. But this is going to be a really great second cleanse. I did read a few reviews on it. People really loved it. It has a very light scent. I just kind of want to smell it myself right now. Oh no. This is actually super hydrating. It's a cleansing gel, but look at that. It's like an oil. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Hold on. Completely different than what I was expecting. Seriously, I was not expecting what I felt. I thought this was going to be a cleansing gel, like a true foaming gel, and it's not. Breaks down all traces of makeup as well as to lift away daily pollutants. Add water to emulsify the cleansing gel and rinse well. This is more of a cleansing balm. It's super, super lightweight. So balm, maybe not the texture I want to use, or the word for the texture that I want to use, but it was like balmy. It had a lot of oil to it. It didn't foam. It actually it emulsified with a little bit of water. So I'm assuming dry hands, dry face, massage, breaks down all the dirt, crime, pollution, makeup, and SPF of the day. Add a little bit of water, continue to massage into a milk, and then rinse clean. My hand feels super moisturized after putting it on and cleansing. I am really excited to use this. I'm actually going to use this right after I shoot to take off the makeup that I am wearing right now. So completely not what I was expecting. UB Cosmetics. This is an illuminating stick. So UB True Glow Skin Illuminating Stick. The little bio that they give on the Glossy Box little page right here says, for the perfect glow up, we're in love with this highlighter from UB Cosmetics, giving a perfect sun-kissed glow exactly where you need it. This illuminating stick is also cruelty-free and vegetarian-friendly, as are all products from this innovative brand. Remember to only highlight the areas the light would naturally fall. So let's open this up and play around with it. Super cute. Comes in a little stick. Almost looks like the stick that the primer from Benefit comes in. Has a really, really pretty kind of pearl look to it. And it actually looks like it illuminates with a little bit of glitter, as well as kind of like that finished, dewy finish. But let's try it on and see what it looks like. So I have on the IT Cosmetics foundation, all full coverage foundation with the SPF 50 in it. I'm going to put this on top of it and see what it looks like. So first impressions, cute, great packaging, goes on really easily, doesn't leave the skin looking ashy the way some highlighters would on darker skin tones. I like the texture, the way it feels, but I am really just not liking the silver flecks of glitter that are in here. I think it would be perfect if it just didn't have the glitter in here. But on a lighter skin tone, I think this would be really pretty. We'll try it out, see how we like it later on. In the box, also, we have the Lauren B. Beauty Bright Lights Nail Polish. Now, this guy right here is a polish of glitter. This is in no way going to be subtle. The glitter flecks in here are gold and silver. I'm going to pop a little bit onto my pinky and see what it looks like. That's what you got right there. Cute glitter. Feels like a top coat. We'll see how this wears. I wash dishes every day. I cook every day. I clean the house every day. I have 2 dogs that I pick up after. So if this will stay on and doesn't chip after a day or two, it's probably going to be a good one to use. I will leave this on, put another coat on there just so that it is doubled up, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on that later on as well. Next up in the box, we have Karl Lagerfeld. It says it's a lip liner in red. I don't know in whose coloring box this is going to be a red color, but this is definitely not red. It's more of a mauve color. The pencil itself does not have the name of the color on it at all. But the picture in the little pamphlet that they send is this color, but it's called red. So have a full definition of your lips thanks to this luxurious lip liner by Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. A velvety, smooth swipe of color gives your lips the fullest of everyone's attention in a vivacious red. Apply lipstick first, then liner. You can see exactly where to line to avoid fade rings around your lips. This is not red, but we're going to try it on and see what the texture feels like. Really great texture, really beautiful color, went on super smooth, didn't have any issues applying it. But this is not a red pencil. I don't know why they're calling it a lip liner in red. This is more of a mauve color. Really pretty, just a little bit too pink to be a red. I'm confused, but it's a pretty lip liner. We're going to use this in an upcoming video and we'll see how we love it. And next up, and the final thing on the list, is going to be this guy right here that's kind of open already. So this is the True Soft Hair Mask, softening mask from Maria Nyla, Stockholm. On the Glossy Box page, it says, a hair mask that lives up to its name. This vegan-friendly high revitalizer is a perfect product that's good for you and for the planet. Environmentally friendly and color protecting, Maria Nyla is one of the favorite cruelty-free hair products. You should always be using a wide tooth comb when handling wet hair, and comb from roots to ends for complete saturation. The smell of this is like heaven. So good, so fresh, a little bit sweet. I think you're really gonna love it. The texture is super duper creamy. I do bleach my hair and color it, so this is going to come in handy. I will use this tonight as well, and I will let you guys know what my final thoughts are on it. But first impressions, it has a really great texture, beautiful consistency. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah. Beautiful texture, great consistency, definitely something I'm going to try. I will give you my final thoughts. I'm actually going to lend it to a couple of friends as well and let them try it so that I can see what it feels like on different textures. Just like everything else that I get, I like to try all of the products on different skin tones, types, and conditions. It gives me a better idea and a better feel of what is going to work for more people, so that I can have certain products in my kit that I know are going to work for a larger amount of people or a larger group of people. I don't like to buy products that are very specific to one skin type or tone unless it's extremely necessary, like anything that is for sensitivity is definitely going to be something that I have in a section of my kit. But for the most part, I like to use things that kind of everybody can use or that I'm not going to feel is going to break somebody out. So just to kind of recap on the products that I showed you guys today, we did have the Emma Hardy Cleansing Gel. This is more of a lightweight cleansing balm. I think it's going to remove all of the makeup at the end of the day, the way it says. I'm going to use this tonight. I'm going to try it out on a couple of different people as they're taking their makeup off after photo shoots to see how they like it as well. If I have to buy another one just so that I can really feel the difference after a week, I will. I'll let you guys know what I think. Next up, we had the True Glow Stick illuminating stick in Universal Light from Universal Beauty. Loved the texture, loved the tone, didn't end up ashy, but it did have silver flecks of glitter in here that just kind of popped a little bit too much on my skin tone. I am going to try it on a lighter skin tone and on different skin texture to see if it accentuates any larger pores, but I think it's really going to be something that I will use on lighter skin tones. We also had the nail polish right here, super simple glittery nail polish. I put one coat on already. I'm going to apply another coat, wear it for a few days and see if it chips. When my friend Chelsea is here tomorrow, I'll probably put it on her as well and let her wear it for a few days and see how hers nails hold up. But I'm a very active person, so if it's going to chip on me in a couple of days, it's probably going to chip on you too. Next up is the Karl Lagerfeld Model Company lip pencil in red. It is definitely not a red color. This is definitely more of a mauve color. I still have a little bit of that color left on my lips. Beautiful formula, great texture, really great color payoff as well. I wiped this off and it's still on my lips, so it does leave a little bit of a stain. The only problem I have with this pencil is that it's not red. It is a mauve color, so kind of confused as to what color this is supposed to be since nothing on the actual pencil says anything of a color on it. So yeah, a little confused. Last up, we had hair mask. The hair mask from Maria Nyla. Beautiful texture. It felt super hydrating on my hand. I can imagine what's gonna feel like on my hair. I am excited to try. I have a couple of other people that I think will really enjoy this as well, and I will give you my final thoughts in my next video. I love the Glossy Box. The experience of opening the box is just so lovely and so pretty. I love the way they package everything. I really like the products that come inside of the box. This one probably wasn't as exciting as past boxes, even though it is their anniversary box, but I still really did like the products and presentation. So that is it. That was the box. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you really like watching my videos, you should really subscribe to my channel. The little button next to it, ring that bell. It'll notify you when I am releasing my newest videos. You know, I really love this. I really love reviewing products and giving you guys my opinion from a professional standpoint. I really love using these products on multiple skin types, tones, and textures so that I can really give you guys my opinion on what works best for what skin type, tone, and texture. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Be kind to each other, and we will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye, guys.